So what have you been doing? What have you been doing?
What?
I said, what have you been doing?
Nothing. Not much.
No?
No.
How's that cookie? How's your cookie?
Delicious.
Yeah?
Boy, he's hungry.
Yeah. He's a cute little guy, huh? This is the little courtyard at the Veterans Home where Bob can go out and get some fresh air and do his thing.
Hold on. Did a good job.
And the puppy is Shelby.